Selling your home, a step-by-step guide. Part 3, Marketing your home. Selling a home is a significant milestone in anyone's life, and one of the most crucial aspects of this process is marketing your home effectively. Deploying the most astute marketing plan involves targeting the channels that buyers are already utilizing to search for homes. From optimizing internet exposure to establishing connections with local agents, search for an agent who diligently strives to locate your buyer as quickly and efficiently as possible. Creating a lasting first impression. As the saying goes, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. This holds true for selling your home. In today's digital age, buyers often start their home search online, where your property's initial impression is formed through listing sites or realtor emails. Therefore, it's essential to work with an agent who prioritizes professional photography. These high-quality images create a positive first impression that entices buyers to take the next step and schedule a showing. Another critical aspect of first impressions is curb appeal. When potential buyers arrive at your home, what do they see? Is your yard tidy and free of personal items? A freshly mowed lawn, well-maintained flowers, and an inviting front door can go a long way in making your home attractive to buyers, prompting them to explore further. Embracing the digital age. With 95% of buyers conducting their home buying journey online, mastering the digital space is imperative. When searching for a real estate agent, it's crucial to find one who employs a comprehensive suite of technology marketing tools and utilizes a systematic approach to reach qualified buyers, thereby ensuring that your listing shines brightly in the online sphere. Leveraging your sphere of influence, SOI. You can also contribute to the marketing effort by informing your family, friends, and neighbors about your home sale. Your neighbors might know someone interested in living in the area, and sharing your realtor's posts and your listing link on social media can significantly boost marketing efforts. Creating buzz with coming soon campaigns. Similar to how Apple or Nintendo generates anticipation for their products, KWJ Hudson Homes markets your home before it's available for showings with a coming soon campaign. Your home can be listed up to 30 days before the showing date, allowing agents to share your property with potential buyers and schedule showings in advance. Announcing just listed. Once your home is just listed, it's crucial to have a strategic plan in place to announce it to the market. This includes email campaigns, social media blasts, signage, and more to let potential buyers know that your home is now available for viewing. Utilizing open houses. Open houses serve a strategic purpose, even if the eventual buyer doesn't come directly from one. They help aggregate interested buyers in a specific geographic area. Our team creates and targets a highly qualified, localized group of buyers through eye-catching signage, call-out campaigns, and social media advertisements. Harnessing the power of print media. Print media, including mailers and signage, remains an effective tool for marketing and selling homes. Yard signs not only engage potential buyers but also help current buyers locate your home. Many buyers still prefer the traditional approach of driving around neighborhoods in search of their next home. Marketing your home is a multifaceted endeavor that should be tailored to your unique situation and needs. Make sure your agent takes the time to explain the marketing approach.